is Ryan, and this is my sixth module from 𝐓𝐇𝐄𝐘 Speaking Damansara. Today, I'll be sharing my graduation speech. Good evening, respective principals, teachers, parents, and the amazing class of 2023. Firstly, I would like to say that I am very honored and lucky enough to be able to speak here today. Wow, we're finally graduating! Congratulations, everyone! We've done it! All the hard work has finally paid off, and we're ready to take the next big step in life, beyond primary school. Before I start, I would like to thank everyone here for helping and supporting us throughout these years. Firstly, I would like to thank our supportive principal, Miss Lai. Your leadership and counsel made us become better students. Secondly, I would like to thank all the teachers for teaching us new knowledge throughout these years. And therefore, I would like to ask all the graduates to stand up and give all the teachers a big round of applause. All of you has made us become the people you see today. Next, I would like to thank all the canteen staffs. For the delicious and healthy food which you prepared for us. Lastly, I would like to thank all the non-teaching staff. This beautiful experience with you is something that money cannot buy. As students and friends, we have created many memories together. Some good and some bad. Most of which we can now look back upon and laugh. I consider myself lucky to be able to meet all of you and to be a part of this strong bond which we have created. Fellow graduates, I have known you for a long time, and I know that each and every one of you have something special. You are creative, smart, in many different ways. So remember this: you are capable of taking any challenge that may lie in your lives. So don't doubt yourself and just keep going. Once again, thank you everyone, and congratulations to the class of 2023.